Americo presents Extract, a melamine floor pad designed for cleaning and restoring floors with only water or a neutral cleaner. No harsh chemicals are needed. This unique melamine floor pad is made of open-cell polymeric foam that produces outstanding results when cleaning floors and vertical surfaces every time. The innovative melamine pad is ideal for cleaning various floor types, including VCT, terrazzo, ceramic and porcelain tile, stone, concrete, epoxy, rubber, and even synthetic wood. It works great for natural wood floors too. Extract is highly effective in removing heavy soil and black marks from floors without removing finish, and a real problem solver for cleaning shallow grouted tile. To use Extract, simply saturate the pad by completely immersing it into water or a low pH neutral cleaner. Next, place the Extract floor pad onto any standard speed machine, oscillating machine, or an auto scrubber with the brown side of the pad up. Slowly guide the machine in steady passes. Ensure that the entire surface is saturated with water or neutral cleaner. Remember to always keep the floor and pad wet. The movement of the Extract pad causes friction, resulting in the removal of soiled, hard-to-clean areas. The pad will absorb much of the debris and water with each pass. Extract will not remove finish or micro-abrade the floor. When used on smooth surfaces, the life expectancy is up to 5,000 square feet. Extract is offered in various sizes, including round pads, rectangular pads, and even as a utility pad for those hard-to-reach areas. Also, try Americo's melamine sponges. These problem solvers are excellent for removing black marks without the use of harsh chemicals. Used with water or a neutral cleaner only, Extract cleans and restores microporous surfaces faster than competitive products. This results in a significant reduction in cleaning costs.